Hello, gingerbread and jelly bean. Hope everybody alright today. So yeah, just got grandma to work. I grab go at Taco Bell. I'm gonna buy burrito, like the grilled chicken one. Like that one there. The one here. It's like flat out grilled chicken and stuffed with beef or chicken. So I'm gonna take the beef one. Come like that one there. It tastes really good. And it's like $1.49. So yeah, it's worth it. Especially when you're broke, you buy a little cheap food them. So yeah, I roll out back now. Go back to school and thing like that. So yeah. No, nobody running at me. So but yeah, I'm there same way. Hope everybody alright. I have some vlog. Oh shoot, I have a vlog edit. Yesterday was pretty cool. I enjoyed that yesterday. I made a vlog yesterday at college, and you have this weird fellow where him thing there. He always a walk backward, so you call it backward, I guess. Walk in a reverse and stuff like that. So it does weird. It must have this weird drive on the person. Why it take so long though? Yeah, you must have this weird thing about him where him always walk backward. If him go in an elevator, him set up him bag a certain way. I don't know what him. It's so funny, but I go work on it, and then the lighting in another vlog there. The lighting, the angle. Is it because of the way the building set up? Oh my God! Push out already. The way the building set up. It's set up in such a way that light coming in from all angles. So if you not get it right, it just dark. Especially when there is a phone camera and stuff like that. And then you can't see a screen. Oh, she got a way there. It said that turn the only. Okay. Let's see what you did there, my lady. Okay. Yeah. So sorry about that. So yeah, because I have to work on the lighting that as well, but you know, so far so good. Let's see if I'm hungry. Let's see if we can squeeze out piece of the burrito. See burrito coming on. I like the burrito because it have rice, and then I think a rice and beef on it. So you can't eat it now, the stoplight bumps out. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much. When my day I go good so far, when I drop in at school, I think them will continue that tape here and thing. But again, big up on yourself again. Enough respect to all of the hardworking people them, all our schoolers them, everybody I go college and thing, you know, just want say, you know, blessing up and thing like that, and you know, hoping I learn, hoping I enjoy, you know, college life, hoping I enjoy the work and thing like that. But yeah, thanks for supporting JVLOGS. You know, just go and do the thing, go and support and get a youth see me, right? So, you know, later people.
Something on.
No, it's not.
Or
is it concerned? Yeah, it's on. That's fine. Or is it where you're concerned? Just pretend that the selfie stick isn't there or the camera isn't there, and just have a normal discussion. You ready for me, sir? You ready?
That's your vlog?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Can I come in?
where am I going?
Yeah, thank you, sir. I'm vlogging, but I'm just talking to you.
Wait, what now? You're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Say hello.
Hello.
Well, you won't see because I'm using the rear camera, so it's 8 megapixels instead of the front camera. So I have the selfie stick that way.
Right.
But if you go around there, you actually see.
See, I know. I'm saying. Oh, so you're blogging? What are you blogging?
I vlog about like normal stuff day to day.
Oh, so this is IRSC. Hey, check out irsc.edu and go into adult education. Click on GED, ABE. Come see us.
All right, hear that, people? Gingerbread jelly beans. Education is good. College life.
What? What are you doing? Calm down. It wasn't that fun.
You see the reference? Oh, my kid just my camera.
He's like backing up.
He's backing up.
What?
Nothing.
This is one of them.
He still has that
Professor. It's still vlogging. Where's my pizza? Just your next teacher.
You're busy vlogging.
I'm vlogging. Go on vlog. I make vlogs on YouTube.
See, we all chewing
I'm sure.
Oh, that's hilarious. And we're all 7
What are you vlogging about? What are you
I vlog
vlogging
about general stuff. I make like give relationship advice in general, all those stuff.
Relationship. What's your relationship?
Oh, friend. Okay, gotcha.
Friend is your relationship?
I'm like, what? Wait a minute, nope.
See, she's disowning me in me already. She's disowning me.
I'm not just. Listen, I already got a man. I ain't disowning you.
Oh my God.
I still love you though.
I'm cutting this out of the vlog. Oh my God.
I wasn't disowning you. Still my buddy.
Like, for the record, people, we have like a secret relationship going on, but she's just in denial. I like that one. I like that one. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I don't think so, buddy.
Alright. See you later, people. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm out.